guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Breland here, and today I'll be showing you guys how to do a dressing game. So, as you guys know, dressing games they do take a lot of effort, so this video is going to be longer than usual, but it's okay because I don't care, and you shouldn't either. But before we get started, please leave a like if you enjoyed the video and if you hope you enjoyed it all, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking that red, juicy, apple-looking button down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button because after you subscribe, there'll be like a little bell button. Just click it to make sure it rings. It has little ring signs around it, and it looks like this. So, yeah. And let's go with the video. So, basically, I have my little scene here, not really finished, but it's still there. So, I have my character in a walk-in closet, and she's thinking, what should I wear today? But before you have your character say anything, you need to have a label. So, I'm gonna make my label. Choosing underscore outfit. So yeah, so now what you want to do is you want to so if you have not seen my choices video, that was the first video I ever made. It really sucked because I didn't have the editing or microphone, but now I do, so it's doing that better, but now I do, so get over it. Anyway, I'll have the link to that in the description box down below for you to go ahead and check it out. So basically what you want to write is you want to write choice, and then it's basically what you do when you write a choice. So so what you want to do is you want to have one of your characters in another tab open up for their outfit. So like this, I'm using Ellie again. She's like the best character ever. I always use her because like she's my favorite. So let's go ahead and find Ellie. So I already gave Ellie a whole bunch of options. I mean a whole bunch of outfits. So we're gonna start off with this fancy outfit. So her outfit is basically just blue. You can't really see her shoes, but she does have them on. So it's pretty much just blue. So we're gonna name this outfit Fancy Blue. So same thing you do to choice, quotation marks, and then quotation marks, and then the name. So fancy in blue. Perfect. And then curly brackets. So now we're going to do this with the other ones, and I'll be right back after this speed montage. Okay, so I'm all done with all of the outfits. So basically what you want to do is you want to either have your character exit the scene or have them do some animation to make them look like they're changing their clothes. So I'm just gonna have my character be dust off. So we're gonna do at Ellie is dust underscore off loop, and I'm gonna have it pause for a beat, and then which one right is you want to write at, and then your character's name, and then changes into the name of your outfit. So mine is Fancy, and then you can have your character do some other little thingy. I'm gonna have her do strike a pose, and then at pause for a beat. So, and that's it. So you can go ahead and just copy all of this to your next thingy. I'm sorry about all this weird audio. To your next thing. So Control V, and then basically what I'm going to do is change it. I'm just going to change what it says. So just change the name of the outfit, and you got it. So this one is 40, I think. It's 40, and then this one is 8, and you're done. But actually, you're not done because you need to make another choice. So now you're just gonna go ahead and write. Okay, so I'm gonna have my character say something like, so she's talk, shrug, do I really want to wear this? And then you don't need a label, you're just gonna write choice, and then
let's see. Right, here's there you go. I look great, you're great, and then I look disgusting.
And you can either just have them, you can either just have them not say what the choice says, or you can make them say what the choice says. So I'm gonna make her say what the choice says. So okay, so now when you're done that, you can go ahead and go to your last one, and then you're gonna write at go to, and then the label that you chose. So my label was choosing outfit, so now I'm gonna go ahead and write choosing underscore outfit, and you're pretty much done. But I forgot to do this real quick, so I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm all done, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do what I always do. I'm gonna Okay guys, so now I'm all done, so let's go ahead and just see what that looks like. Okay, so now we're all done. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like it if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel down below by clicking that red juicy apple looking button. Delicious. And like I said earlier, after you press the bell button, just make sure it's ringing, because if it's not ringing, you'll never get a ringing sound from your phone or your device when I upload a video. That's not right. You need to watch them. No, I'm just kidding. You don't have to if you don't want to. It's okay. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.